Imagine you are on a spaceship traveling through the cosmos. Everywhere you look, there are stars, billions of them, lighting up the darkness like dust in a sunbeam. But then, you cross a border. Suddenly, the stars vanish, the galaxies disappear. You are floating in absolute, suffocating darkness. You travel for millions of years and you see nothing. No light, no matter, just an endless, cold abyss. You have just entered the scariest place in the known universe. Welcome to the Boötes Void, also known as the Great Nothing. Space is usually crowded. Gravity pulls galaxies together into clusters and filaments like a cosmic web. But the Boötes Void is an anomaly. It is a massive sphere of emptiness sitting in the constellation of Boötes. It is gigantic, nearly 330 million light-years across. To understand the scale, if the Milky Way galaxy was a small coin, the Boötes Void would be the size of the entire Earth. Mathematically, a space this large should contain at least 2,000 galaxies. But when astronomers looked inside, do you know what they found? 60. Only 60 lonely galaxies in a space meant for thousands. It is a ghost town on a cosmic scale. The darkness here is so absolute that it changes your perception of reality. Astronomer Greg Aldering once said, "If the Milky Way had been in the center of the Boötes Void, we wouldn't have known there were other galaxies until the 1960s. Imagine that. We would have thought we were the only galaxy in the entire universe, alone in the dark. But here is the scary part. Why is it empty? Scientists say it might just be a rare formation of gravity. But there is a darker theory, a theory that keeps astrobiologists awake at night. What if the galaxies aren't missing? What if they are just hidden? We know that advanced civilizations, Type 3 on the Kardashev scale, would need immense amounts of energy. They might build Dyson spheres, massive shells around their stars to harvest 100% of the energy. When you build a Dyson sphere, the star disappears from sight. It goes dark. Now, look at the Boötes Void again. It is almost perfectly spherical. Could this be the home of a civilization so advanced, so hungry for energy, that they have expanded across millions of light years? Have they switched off the lights of 2,000 galaxies, one by one? Are they harvesting the universe? If this theory is true, then the Boötes Void isn't just an empty space. It is a city, an invisible empire of 1 trillion stars. And the worst part, the void seems to be growing. So when you look at the gaps between the stars, ask yourself, are those gaps just empty space? Or is someone hiding there, watching us, waiting for us to become bright enough, to be harvested? This is Xeno Terra. Do you think something is hiding in the Great Nothing? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe before the lights go out.